Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan was founded in 1938 at Mumbai by the great visionary, statesman, philosopher and philanthropist Dr. K.M. Munshi with the blessings of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and many others. Bhavan has 119 centers in India and 8 centers abroad in London, New York, Sydney, Lisbon, Mexico, Toronto, Durban, Singapore and Dubai. Under the aegis of Bhavan, there are several reputed business schools in India like S.P. Jain Institute of Management and Research, Mumbai, M.P. Birla Institute of Management, Bangalore, Usha and Lakshmi Mittal Institute of Management in Delhi, and Bhavan's Institute of Management at Kolkata, Delhi, Mysore, Kochi, and Bhubaneswar. The Bhavan Center for Communication and Management, BCCM, established in 1974, is situated in eastern coast of Odisha in the capital city of Bhubaneswar. It was inaugurated by the former President of India, Sri R. Venkatraman, in January 2003. BCCM offers 2 years full-time postgraduate diploma in management PGDM program duly approved by All India Council for Technical Education AICTE under HRD Ministry, Government of India. This college was established under the leadership of former Chief Justice of India, late Sri Ranganath Mishra. Eminent personalities like Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, Dr. Anil Kakodkar, Chairman Atomic Energy Commission, Government of India, had visited the institute and addressed the students on various occasions.
Bhubaneswar Kendra started in 1978. Lot of activities was going on, and we decided in 2003 to start a college for communication, and 2006 management college. Why did we start it? What is Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan stands for? It is to uphold the age-old, ageless traditions, culture of India, and to act as a bridge, keeping in mind the past, the present and the future. Help people to grow a balanced development.
Sri Pranab Mukherjee, President of India, attended the Convocation 2013 and delivered the Convocation address of the Institute. He dedicated the public library of the Institute, the Ramakrishna Knowledge Center, to the public of Odisha. The Institute has large-size lecture halls, seminar rooms, counseling rooms, and multi-purpose auditoriums. All are fully air-conditioned and equipped with state-of-the-art teaching aids with all modern facilities. The library, Ramakrishna Knowledge Center, has more than 11,000 volumes of books and large number of other publications on various subjects including management, literature, religion, culture, and general awareness. The library also has adequate national, international journals and business magazines for reference by the students and faculty members. Besides, this knowledge center caters to the need of students from many other institutes, enabling them to prepare for various competitive examinations. The best of technology gives students an edge over others. The institute has modern language lab equipped with latest software packages for English language communication skill training. Computers and high-speed connectivity Wi-Fi system are provided to ensure uninterrupted internet connectivity in the campus.
Bhavan Center for Communication and Management is one of the pioneering institute in Eastern India. We have one of the best curriculum for the students, which is updated regularly based on the inputs we receive from corporates and industries. We also provide on-the-job practical training to the students besides the summer intensive training for 8 weeks. We do help the students in their overall development, providing soft skill training in terms of personality development, corporate etiquettes, stress management, yoga, pranayam, and so on. This helps in their employability, and we have a track record of having 100% employment so far.
The PGTM curriculum of the Institute is designed by renowned academicians and industry experts focusing on industry requirements. Latest teaching methods and tools are used for better classroom delivery and effective learning outcome. A certification course on ERP and foreign language learning is part of the curriculum of PGTM program. Soft skill development is given special importance in the curriculum throughout the 2-year course. Spoken English, interpersonal skills, team building, personality development, corporate etiquettes, group discussion skills provide holistic personality development of students. The course content is developed and delivered by highly qualified, knowledgeous, and experienced faculty members with rich research background. The Institute has specially designed pyramid rooms for practice of yoga, pranayam, meditation, and art of living. The students practice the same under the able guidance of specialized trainers. The students regularly take part in sports and cultural activities organized by the Institute. They largely participate in various events such as music, paintings, debate, dance competitions, etc. to show their talent in respective fields. Every year, the Institute conducts annual fests, welcome functions, ethnic day, farewell functions, and many others to enable students to show their creative potentials, innovative performance, leadership, and team building qualities. Separate hostel facilities for boys and girls is provided in the college premises that gives comfortable home-like accommodation to students. The Institute has hygienic canteen that provides quality foods with affordable prices. During the 2 years course, adequate attention is given to groom the students and make them employable in industries and corporate. Placement continues to be a priority for the Institute, and so far, the students of this institute have been employed in reputed corporate houses like Unilever, Wipro, HP, Tata Group, Ranbaxy, UCO Bank, IDBI, ICICI, HDFC, Axis Bank, Capital IQ, Reliance Group, LG, Aircel, Airtel, Pepsi, and Coca-Cola, etc.
Our students have participated in various industrial activities. Also, they gone abroad, like Thailand and this Nepal, for their visit and exposures. Our students have given all facilities inside the campus. We have got all facilities like AC classrooms. We got the hostels separate for the boys and girls, and also we got the canteen facilities. We got a good library for the students to have their exposures and they can further future grown up.
Students are placed in India and abroad. To inculcate sense of social responsibility among students, visits are organized to orphanages, old age homes, disability network centers, schools, colleges, cyclone and fire affected area. The institute conducts regularly blood donation camps where students and people from outside donate blood voluntarily. Besides, Bhavan's Gandhi Institute of Computer Education imparts free computer classes for students from economically backward communities and enhance their employability. Tree plantations and participation in Swachh Bharat Abhijan by its students justifies Bhavan's commitment to ensure green and clean environment. The journey towards excellence begins with self-discovery, when knowledge, practice, technology, and attitude all go together in a perfect rhythm and harmony. While leaving the portals of Bhavan's Center for Communication and Management under Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Bhubaneswar, the students become winners, challengers, trendsetters, performers, and inspiring leaders. We welcome you all to this Center of Excellence and be a part of this noble institution.